आप 8 साल के थे तो मेरे को तो 100 साल का बना दिया आपने। यार रीजनेबल, थोड़ी बहुत एज फर्क होगी, मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ पता चल गया है, लेकिन किंतु परंतु थोड़ा सा हम एक दूसरे का एज का नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैं सुन रहा था। और during this period, if somebody done well, किसी ने अच्छा काम किया तो you have to say hats off to them. Again, only positive people can do it. You look and try to find ways how to succeed in life. And it's wonderful to see that, your company, your people worked during this period and brought a smile on everybody's face, the people who are working with. It's a brilliant, and I like to see positive people always make me more happy, because I'm a very positive person. I always look for something. If I come to the difficult position, how I can have fun with, how I can enjoy with. As previously they were saying, rightly he was saying, Sachin Tendulkar ने हर रोज 100 नहीं बनाया, और कोई बना भी नहीं सकता। अगर वो बना भी लेते तो फिर कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, पर जब 0 के बाद 100 बनता है तो बहुत मजा आता है। You really love it. If every day is Sunday, फिर मंडे या ट्यूसडे का मजा ही नहीं है, या एवरी डे वर्किंग डे फिर संडे आता है तो बहुत मजा आता है। तो इसलिए आप हर रोज सक्सेस आपको मिल नहीं सकती, लेकिन जो एफर्ट ज्यादा करता है उसको सक्सेस भी ज्यादा मिलती है।
Right, sir. So, sir, actually we have 500 people connected at this point in time, and all of them are connected from small towns. कोई गुवाहाटी से है, कोई बोकारो से connected है. We have people from Trichy, we have people from Jalandhar, we have people from Udaipur. It's a very well spread team. People from large cities, people from small towns. My first question to you, sir, is slightly, related to this. How did a very small town boy actually become Kapil Dev? ये सारा कहानी शुरू कैसे हुई, सर? मतलब
यार पहले
How did this happen?
पहले तो ये सोचो कि बिगर टाउन वालों ने कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ली है कि वही सिर्फ फेमस हो सकते हैं या काम कर सकते हैं। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज थोड़ी ज्यादा मिलती है, छोटे शहर वालों को अपॉर्चुनिटीज कम मिलती है, लेकिन डिटर्मिनेशन ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि उनको प्रूव करना है। बिग सिटी इज लाइक बिग ब्रदर and small city is small brother, and small brother always want to show to big brother ki I am better than you, and that's what it happened. And that's why in last 15-20 years, if you look at how many good people come out from a smaller town or cities, because they take a challenge, they have a purpose. And sometime when you have everything, you are not working hard enough. You say theek hai yaar, ho hi jayega, I am the best. I believe in my life is commitment is more important than talent. Sometimes if you have everything, you feel little lazy. जब पढ़ाई करने को मिलती थी एसी रूम में तो अलग नींद आती थी, जब पेड़ के नीचे पढ़ाई करने को मिलती थी उसका मजा भी अलग था, और नींद भी नहीं आती थी, क्योंकि पसीने एक तरफ से जा रहे थे और दूसरी तरफ से पढ़ाई करनी होती थी। सेम थिंग हम कहते होते थे, अक्सर कहते हैं कि एसी रूम वाले क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकते, क्योंकि वो सुबह 4 बजे जिस आनंद की हवा आ रही होती है उसमें सोना उठना बहुत मुश्किल है। और हम जैसे कहते थे अभी यार चलो बिस्तरे से निकलो, थोड़ी बाहर ठंडी हवा मिलेगी, बिस्तरे में तो और भी गर्मी है।
Right, sir. So, another thing, sir, आप मतलब पूरा career you have actually, tried to beat the stereotypes, and I believe आपने शुरुआत ही वैसे करी थी when you actually started playing cricket, or when you actually started having your interest in cricket. India was not known for fast bowlers. India was a nation of spinners. All our tracks were flat tracks, जिसमें objective यही होता था कि 5 दिन किसी तरीके से मतलब बैटिंग करके जो है बैट्समैन निकल जाएं। ये सारी सर्कमस्टेंसेस के बीच में मतलब एक किसी का ये सपना कि मैं फास्ट बॉलर बनूंगा, ये मतलब ये आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया सर, मतलब एंड हाउ डिड यू गो अबाउट दिस एंटायर जर्नी?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया, नहीं जबरदस्ती कभी आपको भेज देते हैं, चल तू आगे चल। मैं थोड़ा सा कद में बड़ा था, माय हाइट वाज गुड, एंड यू नो इन स्कूल टीचर ऑलवेज लुक who is the tall guy, come here, you take the new ball and bowl. But one thing was very interesting, चाहे वो स्पिनर हो, चाहे वो कोई भी गेंदबाज हो, नई गेंद मिलती है तो उनको मजा बड़ा आता है बॉल करने का, क्योंकि नई चीज कोई भी नई शर्ट डालने को मजा आता है। तो मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था, नई बॉल मुझे मिल रही है। स्कूल में, हमारे स्कूल में हर रोज शाम को 2 नई गेंदें देते थे to bowl with 2 new balls. So I used to get 1 new ball and I used to feel very proud and happy. I didn't realize that it was so much hard work. As a spinner to a fast bowler, the hard work is 10-fold more than a spinner can do. So I used to say it's so much fun bowling with that. And when you are 16 or 14 or 15, I don't think so you feel you will get tired. You have so much energy and you have so much fun. And when you see the fear in opponent or fear of batsman's eyes, your face lit up and you say, wow. क्योंकि ये human nature है, दूसरे की आंख में थोड़ा डर देखा तो बहुत मजा आता था। तो शायद वो छोटी छोटी चीजें थी जो मेरे को गेंदबाजी की तरफ ले गई, और I become a fast bowler, not a fast bowler, medium fast bowler. And then I realized it was no encouragement from people because we never had a fast bowler. So it was a struggle, but it was a lot of fun. जैसे कोई कहता है कि आपकी बहुत मुश्किल था गेंदबाजी करना, मैं कहता अगर मैं गेंदबाजी नहीं कर पाता हिंदुस्तान के लिए तो मुश्किल होता। जब आप हिंदुस्तान के लिए गेंदबाजी करते हो, इतना कुछ अचीव करते हो, फिर यही कह सकते हो वो जो सफर, जो जर्नी, वो बहुत खूबसूरत थी, बिकॉज यू वर सक्सेसफुल। लाइक मैंने अमिताभ बच्चन साहब से यही प्रश्न पूछा था कि आप हमेशा कहते रहते हो जिंदगी संघर्ष है। जिंदगी संघर्ष उनके लिए है जो पा नहीं सकते। जो इंसान पा लेता है उसके लिए वो जिंदगी संघर्ष नहीं होता, वो सफर बन जाता है। तो मेरे लिए तो सफर था और बड़ा खूबसूरत सफर था।
वेरी वेल सेड सर। एक और इंसिडेंट है, आई रिमेम्बर लिसनिंग टू वन ऑफ योर इंटरव्यूज वेयर व्हेन यू वर इन द एकेडमी एंड आई थिंक आपका कोई डाइट को लेके आपके किसी कोच के साथ लड़ाई हुई थी, दैट यू वांटेड सम एक्स्ट्रा फूड एंड ही सेड कि एक्स्ट्रा फूड क्यों चाहिए, आपने बोला कि मैं फास्ट बॉलर हूं एंड ही लाफ्ड एंड ही सेड कि हिंदुस्तान में फास्ट बॉलर नहीं होते। सर इफ यू कैन नरेट दैट इंसिडेंट, इट वाज
एक्चुअली अब हुआ क्या कि मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया पंजाब की दिल्ली से आया था, और पंजाब में आई थिंक फूड हैज मोर इम्पोर्टेंस देन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स। बेटा नंगा घूम ले वो ठीक है, पेट भरा होना चाहिए। सो ये थॉट प्रोसेस से हम बड़े हुए हैं। एंड मैं मुंबई में पहुंचा और मुंबई में कैंप लगा हुआ था, एंड 2 चपाती के बाद वो बोलते कि नहीं बस 2 चपाती मिलेंगी। मैंने कहा अगर मेरे घर वालों को पता चल गया ना, मेरे को खाने के लिए मना किया, मेरे को वापस बुला लेंगे। ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से मैं आया था। एंड सडनली आई सेड नो, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। आप मेरे को 3 घंटे गेंदबाजी करने के लिए बोलते हो। आई बोल्ड फॉर 3 hours in a row. I mean straight, not ask for anything. But when I come to the dining table, then don't say you can't eat that. And that's what had happened. And this fellow, throughout my life, I have one interesting part of my life is I want to prove other people wrong who don't encourage people. And that was the reason I become a fast bowler. And this man, very senior, very able person, and he was right in his manner. India never produced fast bowler. He was a secretary of CCI club. Very, very thorough gentleman. And he said, what happened? I said, they are not giving me rotis. I'm not a rice eater then. I was 16 years old. Rice तो ऐसा होता था, पिकनिक है, चलो एक दिन हफ्ते में बन जाए राइस. Otherwise, रोटी खाने का था. And वो कहता, there is no fast bowler. I said, इस आदमी को एक दिन मैं सिखाऊंगा, बताऊंगा कि I can bowl fast. And we had little bit of discussion, but in the end, we got the chapatis. But in my mind, it stuck like glue that I have to prove this man wrong. And when I played after 2 years, I played for India. Within 1 year, I got, after playing for India, second year, I got 100 wickets, completed my 100 wicket, and I went to him. And I said, thank you very much. You are the one who encouraged me. He was totally shocked. I said, if you are not said that word during that period, I don't think so. I come to Bombay to play, enjoy myself, not to take a challenge within myself. And that's what it happened. Throughout my life incident, when I reached 300 odd wickets, one of my best friends said, "Chhod de cricket, there se 400 wicket nahi hongi." So I taken a challenge with my friend. And when I completed my 400 wicket, I didn't call anybody. I called him. He lived in Chennai. I called him almost 11:30, 12 o'clock because 5 बजे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मैच खत्म हुआ था. 3-4 घंटे का पर्थ में मैच था. टाइम डिफरेंट था. तो मैंने उसको फोन करके बोला, I said, Anna, I got 200 wickets. So always I taken a challenge in a positive manner, not in a negative manner. And that's what had happened in Mumbai.
Thanks for that, beautiful narration of this incident, sir. Now moving on again, challenge wali baat hai, sir. 1983 World Cup, you were the captain. You were leading the team into a situation jahan pe previous 2 editions, India had only won just 1 match, that too against East Africa. Did not win any match in the second edition. You were captaining that team. What was, what would be the feeling that was there in your mind and the mind of your team? So what was the mindset of the team while getting into that 1983 World Cup, which now basically is considered as the event of the century for us, sir?
I think it was very simple because we never done anything great in one-day cricket. And you start doubting yourself. Are you sure we are good enough or not? And suddenly we had 1 or 3 months before the World Cup, we had a tour to West Indies. And in West Indies, we beat West Indies in their own country. Never ever any team have done that. I think that's where's given us a little spark in our life, thinking about if we can beat them there, we can beat them in England also. But sometimes you don't know your own strength. And I think they were basically, I would say, fooled to make me captain because I was a little Punjabi dimag, Punjabi dimag is lad padna hai, baat mein karenge, pehle lad padna. So I think that's what it happened. And first match we played, we won. And we start believing. I think more than that, yes, my team didn't have that much belief. Neither I had, I would say. That was belief we can win. We thought we'll win few matches. If we can come to the semi-final, it will be great. But halfway through the World Cup 83, I think more than the team start believing that we have a team. When you believe yourself, you have a strength, and you can do it, I think then nobody can beat you. I think it was self-belief of the team was the key to win the World Cup 83.
So, sir, what would be the turning point as per you? Kuch single incident when, maybe you realize that now we are maybe, in line to reach the semi-finals or reach the finals or maybe even go on to win the World Cup?
I think it's not captain. Captain always, if you are the CEO of the company, you always believe. Let's put it that way. Captain believing is not very difficult. I think it's the motivation of the entire team is very, very important. And I think the Chelmsford match against Australia, after the Zimbabwe given us a very big kick. Let's put it that way. Because when you are struggling 17-5 and then you come out and win the match, I think that start giving you the ball is rolling on our side. So let's not fool around and we can do it. If we can win from this situation 17-5, I think the next match really given us the strength against Australia. We beat them so comfortably. And I think from there it starts changing. First match also against West Indies we beat. And then we lost a couple of matches. Then Zimbabwe match come out where we come back in a manner which we can say self-belief increase. And after that Australia match in Chelmsford, I think from there onwards, it was my duty to calm them down. Sometimes you start winning and you start talking with. But I was just trying to say, relax, don't show them because tomorrow is going to be much a difficult day. So I think sometimes if you don't react too much, it is better because you study yourself. And that's what it happened. And once we won the match against Australia and come to the semi-final, we were so much in confidence within ourselves. At that time, I wasn't the captain. The team was the captain.
Right, sir. Sir, the scores are there for everyone to see. We know the performances. We've seen some of the matches. We've seen, all the scores and the statistics. What I would want to ask you is that off-field, which is, maybe at the hotel during the bus rides to the stadiums and in the dressing room, who would be those 2 or 3 characters who basically, helped you in putting this belief in the team or actually boosting the morale of the team in a way which, it actually came across as a very, very comprehensive unit?
I think, let's put it that Mohinder Amarnath was very calm and quiet. Sunil Gavaskar was like an ice pack, very calm. These are 2 people. Rest, greatest movement took place is we had a lot of sense of humor in our team. That given us strength. I can understand the calmness of senior players, but person like Sandeep Patil, person like Shrikant, Madan Lal, their sense of humor will diffuse the tension within the team, which was very, very important. When you are playing such a high stake of matches, you need people like Shrikant who will come out and laugh against or with you, about you, everything. I think that was a strength. We had very serious people, 3-4 serious, very, very serious. And the 3-4 people was so much like energy they have. And they have always laughing on anybody, on themselves, laughing about anybody. That given us the strength. So it become a team of all character. So we had a big character in our team, which make a strength to any company, your company. You don't want to have one type of people. If you can well imagine, if you have 11 Rahul Dravid or Sachin Tendulkar who don't laugh on the ground, it will be very difficult. But if you have 11 people like Shrikant or Sandeep Patil, it will be very difficult. But if you have a blend of everybody, I think that makes the team. Team meaning you have to have all kind of people.
Right, sir. So respect the individuals, respect their capabilities, and every capability would be different than each other. Sir, 1983, the lifting of the World Cup definitely would be the best moment. But any other moment which stands out for you, sir, apart from lifting of that trophy?
My personal?
Yes, sir. Personally.
My personal was bigger than World Cup was the day I played for India. I think nothing can come close to that. Every young kid has only one thing. Is one thing they want to play for the country. And when you play for the country, I think that makes all the difference. So then you become the captain, you're winning the World Cup, all those things come secondary. But nothing can come close to me still till today is the day I played for my country. And same thing, the day you start working for your organization is the bigger day. Then you become CM or chairman or you become a prime minister. The first step is more important than actually reaching on top. That's not. The start take place from the very first step.
Sir, do you regret that BBC was on strike that day when you scored 175 not out against Zimbabwe?
Not at all. Why should I regret? Certain things only I can keep it to myself. No, I can say anything you will believe.
Right.
But if you have seen that, you would have said to me, nahi aise hua tha. So certain things you enjoy that.
Right, sir.
I would say, nahi, aapko kya pata uske, 20 degree की ठंड थी, heat थी, ये चला नहीं जा रहा था, मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ. So it's how you take it, and I would say it's a wonderful because. Only my team, me and few handful of people seeing that situation, and we can talk about that. And that give you the happiness. It's not my fault if the BBC was on strike. But again, nahi tha, to nahi tha. Jo hai uska maze karna, jo nahi hai uska kya rona.
Right, sir. So, sir, 1983 World Cup is something, is that event which fired the minds of every youth at that stage. They gave us the belief that we can pick up the bat or the ball and become have a career in cricket. In fact, Sachin Tendulkar agar aap dekhein, or so you have actually galvanized the entire generations after that. So how does it feel to be at the helm of that tectonic event? If I actually ask you for the feeling that this entire team basically changed the fortunes of Indian cricket, how does it feel, sir?
Oh, I feel good, but move on. Don't talk about that too much. This is not right. Every generation have played their part. I think it's more important the people who played in 60s or 70s. I don't like to say we are the only people. I think we have to move on, and next generation will take it from there. I think we learn a lot from our previous generation. So the next generation learn from us, and the next generation learn from them. I mean, today you can say Virat Kohli, he learned from Sachin. Or maybe next generation will come out and say, I learned from Virat Kohli. So it's a moving thing. You can't say, we are the one who started. No, we were part of the ladder who was going up.
Right, sir. So how did your life change after 1983? And my next question would be linked to this, sir.
No, it didn't change.
Okay.
I mean, if I say today you are the CEO of the company, it's not going to change today. Over the period of time, every day it will start changing. It doesn't change. If I say in 10th class, you become number one in the country, that doesn't change anything. You still sleep the same way, still eat the same way. But over the period of time, people will giving you respect and say what you did. That slowly takes time to change. I don't think so. Our life or my team or 83 change overnight. What we get love and affection today, I don't think so we got it then. So change was moving on with us.
Right, sir. So, sir, we have about 500 people out here. These people basically are the top performers. And my next question basically is again linked to the same thing. There are countless books which are written and seminars which I've held on what to do when you're down or how to deal with failure. My question to you, sir, especially for this team, is how to deal with success. And why I'm asking you, because perhaps, you have captained one of the most successful teams in the country. So success ko handle karne ka, what would be the right way or the appropriate way?
I mean, it's everybody has their own method to do that. I think one have to understand, if you are successful, it's very temporary. It's not going to there throughout your life. And if you are a sportsman, you are not going to make a 0 every day. But every day you are not going to make 100. But what is more important is your effort. And people will talk about effort so much, and they will say, his effort was very good, excellent. That's what we appreciate. Performance, yes, you will talk about that. And I would say, if you take a pressure, are you enjoying? Is work is your passion or pressure? It's a very simple thing. Are you enjoying yourself, or are you taking pressure to work? I never taken pressure to play cricket. My passion was to play. Play, not performance, to play. And when you play and enjoy, your performance will be different. But a lot of people don't want to enjoy what you are doing. All the 500 young boys and girls listening, they are looking for the end result. No, enjoy your office every day. Enjoy yourself. The day you enjoy, your performance will change. I always say the passion you should have with your work. I had a passion in my cricket. I enjoyed my passion. And that's what all about that. The biggest passion in this world is when you are in love with opposite sex. The biggest passion. Nobody teach you. You become expert. The only thing your parents don't teach you, how to love your opponent person. But you all become expert. Can you bring that passion into your work, that passion into your sports? Nobody can beat you. If your girlfriend say, call me 4 o'clock in the night, if you don't have an alarm, you will not sleep for whole night waiting for 4 o'clock because you're in love. That passion. How can your mother can say, get up, beta, you have to go for a practice in the morning? How come your father can say, get up, I want to take you for a ride? No, you should get up and say, Dad, get up, let's go out for a jogging. That's what the passion is all about. If you have that, nobody can beat you. Nobody can touch you. If you can bring 50% of that passion which you have with your girlfriend or boyfriend, 50% passion onto your work or to play, nobody can beat you. I'm telling you, nobody can beat you.
Wow, sir, that actually was straight from the heart. I guess, this is something so simple that anything that you're passionate about, if you can follow it with your heart, I think no one can ever beat you. My next question, sir, is there any superstition or a lucky charm that you carry in your matches or that you used to carry in your matches?
Everybody. We are human beings.
What was your charm, sir?
My charm was my right foot should go first on the ground rather than left. I put my left pad before I put my right pad when I'm batting. So slowly things what you do and give you the result and you start thinking about that. Like Mohinder Amarnath, I'll give you one story. He always used to have a red hanky because his father used to have. And he said, that's very lucky. He has one lucky shirt. Now, it's a story to remember. Mohinder Amarnath, playing in West Indies, was playing like I'd never seen anybody in our country played as good as him during that series of 82. And he got hit the ball on his mouth here and bleeding. The blood was coming on his shirt. What happened? He come to the dressing room, removed the shirt, washed the shirt with a soap, and then went to the doctor. And come back, wore that shirt again, went to the batting. That's called superstition also, and you believe the luck also. So even Sunil Gavaskar, even Dhoni, all of us have, because cricket is a game of one ball. When it will come, you don't know. It can be the first ball, it can be 250th ball. So you obviously believe in yourself, believe in your talent, but still superstition, everybody is there. But slowly, if you know yourself, it will go out of your system.
Right, sir. So one tough question, sir, but I am sure it will benefit the entire team a lot. You've never missed any match on fitness grounds, but in one series, one match you had to sit out. So what perhaps, would have led to that, and what are your learnings out of this, sir?
Oh, with the time they dropped me from the
Oh, yes, sir.
Listen, a lot of people said a lot of things. Today I can say anything after 30 odd years. I played a stupid shot. I given a reason to the selector to drop me. I don't blame anybody.
Right.
I blame myself. It's a very simple thing. If I played a bad shot, they dropped me. And I could say other people also played bad shot. I'm not the person to say that. No. I made a mistake. And if I get the punishment, I'm ready to take it. I am not bothered how other people picked in the team or they played a bad shot, why they can't be dropped. Doesn't matter. It's up to me. I taken that. It was a lesson to learn. No, sometimes you have to play for the team also.
Sir, last two questions from my side. And the one basically again is addressed to the entire team. Sir, all of them have a career of 4 to 5 years. Ye sare ke sare are between the age of 25 and 30. And if I see they have a career of 25, 30 years more ahead of them. So what would be those 2 or 3 things that you can, share with them, which will ensure that their career also becomes as long and as shandar as Mr. Kapil Dev?
One thing I will say, I don't know, everybody have to find their own method to have a success. But I said, I want to learn every day. The time you say you know everything, you're gone. So when I look at a person who are a 5 or 7 years senior to me, I said, I like to be like him when I reach his age, because I find he's doing a good thing. And if I get irritated about certain person, I said, I don't like to be like him when I reach that age. So your learning is throughout your life. It's not possible you can say everything you know is right. No. You have to set a target for yourself. Like after stop playing cricket, I said, I will not like to go to the dressing room. I never gone to the dressing room. Everybody said, why? I said, no. When I used to play, and I used to say, senior player आएंगे मेरे को खड़ा होना पड़ेगा, मैं disturb हो जाऊंगा. तो I said, जब मैं छोड़ूंगा cricket, मैं dressing room में नहीं जाऊंगा. So you have to set your own step. But when you are playing, you don't want senior cricketer to come. And when you stop playing, you want to go there. Why? So you have to be the similar person in the same strength. No, I don't like to go and tell the boys, do it like that. Yes, if they ask me, I will go out of my way to help them out. But not myself to push and try to say, aise nahi khelo, aise khelna. They are playing for the country, they are very smart. But if they want to learn something, they can always come to the big brother or father or somebody who can teach them.
Right, sir. So last question from my side, sir. Ye lockdown, what are the best 2 or 3 things that you've done? How has the lockdown been for you, sir?
यार लोग रो रहे हैं, मैं खुश हो रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा, hello, I discover myself. I'm a positive man. Let me put it that way. मैं कह रहा था यार कितना पता चला, मैं जूते भी पॉलिश कर सकता हूँ, मैं सब्जी भी काट सकता हूँ, मैं गाड़ी भी साफ कर सकता हूँ, and I can do so many things which I never done in my life. It's a positive thing. But यही रोते रहो कि यार हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो you should be happy ना. बाहर जाके मर जाओगे, अब मरना अच्छा है या जीना अच्छा है? I want to live, man. I like to follow certain things. But again, I discover myself, age of 60, who am I? Till then, I am always trying to make other people happy. यार इसको खुश कर दो, इसने बुलाया, चलो ये कर लेते हैं. नहीं, अब मेरे को क्या करना है, वो 120 days, I did what I want to do it. I want to eat toast, I'll eat toast. I want to eat biryani, I'll make whole day मेरे पास है, मैं बिरयानी बना के खाऊंगा. So I think it's the rediscovering of yourself is the most beautiful thing. Sometimes, against all odds, what you are looking for, what is good for you. Yeah, there's a lot of bad things happen during 4 months. I can understand GDP, I can understand people lost jobs. But one thing, all of them who are crying say is life is better or your pocket is important. God still given you the life. Be happy about that. Don't cry about you lose little bit. क्या लेके आए थे और क्या लेके जाओगे. जिंदगी अगर बची है तो सब कुछ आप साथ लेके जाओगे.
Great words, sir. Great words. Sir, at the beginning of the session, you had said that after our questions are over, you will ask 3 googly questions to the team. So team, Kapil sir is going to ask 3 questions to you right now. You can send in your answers through the chat box to us. And in the second part of this event, we will declare the winners. And what we will do is that we will send each winner one ball signed by Kapil sir himself. So guys, please do not, miss this opportunity. Participate and we will declare the results soon. Sir, over to you, sir.
Beautiful ball. I love ball. नया ball हाथ में आता ना. तो ball फेंकती है.
मत करिए सर, स्क्रीन पे लगेगा.
Mind कहता है yes, body कहती है sorry, you are too old, get out. I can't bowl. So I have a few questions. They've given me a few questions to talk about that, but I like to ask, and I'm not giving the option. They've given me कि option क्या है. अगर आप क्रिकेट इतना खेलते हो तो जाके रिसर्च करो ना, इसका मीनिंग क्या है. ये क्या भाई वो अमिताभ बच्चन की तरह मैं आपको दूं इसका ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी, मैं नहीं दे रहा आपको. मैं सिर्फ जानना चाहता हूं LBW का मतलब क्या है. ये ऑप्शन नहीं देने वाला कि वो क्या है. Now all of you just write LBW, do research and give me the answer and I'll give you the ball. And second question is very, very interesting. I'll give you some link also with that. आज तक सबसे बड़ा टेस्ट मैच, लंबा टेस्ट मैच कितने दिन का था? How many days the test match lasted? अब हिस्ट्री आप उठाओ, you have to find out, you talk to your friend, then you will come to know, was it 3 weeks? Was it 9 days? 12 days? 1 month? आपको आंसर ढूंढना है. LBW का नहीं दिया, इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग, आप ढूंढ सकते हो. पर ये बहुत ट्रिकी है. कितने दिन चला? क्या 3 दिन चला, 9 दिन चला, 12 दिन चला, 1 महीना चला? Find out. And then you will come to know about this. And then it's एक क्वेश्चन आया था, मैं नहीं पूछता पर पूछ रहा हूं, मेरे पास आया था कि आईसीसी वर्ल्ड कप में कौन सी टीम, विच टीम हैज मोर पार्टनरशिप्स इन द वर्ल्ड. वेस्ट इंडीज है, उसमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया है वन मैक्सिमम टाइम वर्ल्ड का, इंडिया है और इंग्लैंड है. यू हैव टू पिक दैट. Which team have more bigger partnership in ICC World Cup? And एक और क्वेश्चन आया है मेरे पास, ये क्रिकेट बॉल किस चीज की बनती है? I make it very. You have to tell me. Not I know लेदर की है, ये लेदर की है, ये सबको मैं दे देता हूं हिंट. बट अंदर क्या है? प्लास्टिक है, कॉटन है, कॉर्क है, सिंथेटिक है, क्या है इनसाइड? दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड एंड टेल मी.
Right. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Guys, we have a lot of questions, a lot of answers that I'm seeing on the screen. Obviously, sabhi ke answers theek honge. What we will do is that we will declare the winner as whosoever has, given the answer first. तो ये सर थोड़ा अमिताभ जी से हमें बोरो कर लेंगे. Fastest finger first, जिसका भी होगा, the balls will be delivered to your house. So with
one ball I'll give you special.
Okay, sir.
बताओ जब वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट हुआ था in 1975.
Right, sir.
Which bowler bowled the first ball?
Wow. that's a bonus question, sir.
Yes.
Bonus question, guys.
That's a very interesting question. 75 में first World Cup हुआ था. Who bowled the first ball? And that's extra ball I will send you.
Right, sir. So we'll declare the winner soon. Thanks a lot for